Hello friends, let's begin with another method to divide a given line segment in the given ratio. This is a different method. Let me call it method 2. Here the question is to divide given line segment in the given ratio. And let us consider a question. Particular question is given: line segment AB is to be divided in the ratio pi is to 3. Now for which we need to draw line segment AB. It may be drawn of any length. Provided you are given length, then it well and good. If length is not given, you can take any length. So we have taken AB. At A, we are drawing ray AX such that angle XAB or angle BAX is acute. Now at B we want to draw angle which is equal to this angle BAX. So I draw this. Last year I already studied how to construct angle congruent to given angle. So with that same radius I also mark here. Now I measure this. This we are measuring, and I will cut an arc over here. And then I join. That will be our ray BY, which is parallel to ray AX. This is BY. You can see that both appears parallel. Now 5 plus 3, it is ratio is 5:3. So 5 plus 3, we make 8 equal parts, taking appropriate radius. So here I am marking A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5, this is A6, A7 and A8. We are labeling it, but before that, without disturbing the radius, we mark similar points on ray BY also. So I am marking here. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8, 8 equal parts. So now we label it. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Similarly here B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. Now it's very easy to decide that which line segment should be drawn so that this line segment AB gets divided into ratio 5:3. So 5 parts on this side. On this side there are 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A5 it is. So let's remember, it is A5. On this side it is 3 parts. So this is one part, this is second part, this is third part. So it is B3. So we need to join A5, B3. If I join A5, B3, then in that case, we will have a point on line segment AB which divides AB into 5:3. If it is 3:5, accordingly you need to take A3 here and 5 parts here. But here it is 5:3, so this side we have taken 5 parts, there we have taken 3 parts. This is how this second construction 1, 11.1 is done in a different manner by another method. So do try both the methods, whichever is preferable to you, whichever you like it, whichever is you find easy, that you can use it. So do remember, practice both the constructions, both the different methods. Once at least you should do by both methods, and then finally you can decide yourself that which method to be used. So I wish that you will draw this and you will also practice. And while writing construction, do remember we are writing what is given, that is data. We also write to construct, then we draw figure, and finally we write steps of construction. Steps of construction are must. In any construction, whenever it is asked, half weightage is for construction, steps of construction, and half weightage is for the figure that you draw. So do remember, do go through this video and whatever earlier videos I have sent, whether it is of science or maths, but better see that you go through them, because unless and until you do not go through them, you are not going to understand how it is done. I hope you understand and you will do. Okay, do subscribe this video channel so that I get you get indication as soon as I upload any new video. And do study at home. This is a crucial time where you are forced to study at home. Otherwise we used to meet in the school, but because of the situation you are studying at home, it is the demand of the situation that prevails. So do stay home and study well. Thank you so much.